Hi, I'm Carrie.
And I'm Luke.
And welcome to the wonderful world of Interspecific Clivias. Now you may ask, what are interspecifics? Interspecifics are crosses between different Clivia species. In nature, we get 6 different Clivia species, and when we cross those with each other, we create a new hybrid called the Interspecific Clivia. And why do we breed these? Well, there's actually many reasons. The colors we get from these interspecific hybrids are much better and more special than the normal Miniata colors. The forms and the shapes are amazing, and then they flower so much longer than the normal Miniatas. You can have flowers from May right through to October.
Pollinating and making interspecifics, you need to take 2 different species. So it's normally your Miniata and any species. This is a Clivia nobilis. You can pollinate vice versa to make an interspecific. All you need to do is take the pollen from the one flower to the next, and then in a couple of years you'll have an interspecific. Let me show you how to pollinate. You can actually break off that pollen anther and find the stigma of your flower. And as simple as that, it's pollinated. And within 5 to 6 years you will have an interspecific. Now that you've pollinated your plant and you've waited your 5 to 6 years, and hopefully not any longer, this is the result, your F1s. So pollinating your Miniata with your nobilis, this is an F1. Now if you take it even further, this is where it gets exciting. This is F2, second generation. So from this, cross together gives you your F1, and now you take it further, and this is second generation F2s. And it's definitely worth the wait.
And how do we care for these Clivias? Well, not very much different to the normal Miniatas. They need enough light, but not strong sunlight. They need sufficient water and some feeding.
These are versicolors. The definition of a versicolor is there is a light color on the inside and a very strong dark red contrasting color on the outside of the flower. And these colors are very prominent. This is our Dreaming series. They are orange to dark orange red with an edge inside, a white prominent edge. And these have sometimes bred versicolors, and they are strong, big, robust plants, suckering freely and flowering every single year. This is Star Green, our flagship plant. We have bred some beautiful versicolors with green on the inside and the strong, prominent red. There's a bright future ahead for Star Green plants. These are our pinks and pastels. They are soft to the eye and have such delicate colors. These are bronzes. They are either dark bronze, dark red with green in the center. These are the multicolors. They have 3 or more different colors in their flowers. These are multi-tepal interspecifics. Multi-tepals are flowers with more than 6 tepals. So this is one of our new breeding lines. This is something new. This is a Accabono interspecific. You can see the white blocks on the leaves, the white variegation compared to the green. This is the future we're going to use this to breed versicolor Accabono interspecifics.
And what is the future of interspecific Clivias? Well, the future is bright. Beautiful colors, longer flowering time, and disease-resistant plants. I'm Carrie from Utopia Clivias. Thank you for watching.